My friends, oh yeah, it is your friend CryptoFace, and it is the first of the month. And if you are not following the Twitter, I tell you, another one pegged, nailed in the face of doubt. Exhibit A, where it began. We had a Jesus take the wheel appear on Ethereum. You were told. Here it is. Next. I know everyone is very bearish right now, but I see a solid $100 move for Ethereum. Set your stops, below, because you, quote unquote, never know. And what proceeded to go on next was very nice. And I'm very happy. And it feels good, man. It feels good. So now I've taken profits and added on the way up. That's why, the average entry's up here now. But yabba dabba do, babe. Let's dive into the rest of the charts. We are breaking. Let's take a look. See here. Hang on here. Hang on. Okay. Right on target. The Ethereum spider lines. Okay. Right on target. We're fighting to get above it now. And I'm telling you, this thing, it's look at this. Look, this is basic strategy 101. Money flow curving up, momentum coming up. RSIs green, closer together, coming up. Beginning of the month, the public is quite bearish. And there's too many bears. What did we say? In a bull run. Well, really, actually, excuse me, I said in the fourth year of the 4-year cycle, when there is a bear trend in a bull run, sell-offs don't last longer than 2 weeks, typically. 2 weeks, it'll be 2 weeks bad, and then it's party time for a week or another 2 weeks or however long. So this was great. This was great. And as far as the $100,000 to $1 million challenge and the what is now the $10,000 to $1 million challenge, we're on our way. We are on our way. In fact, where's the other one here? Let me see here. Okay, here we go. We are now at $26,000. Well on our way to $1 million. On this one, we're at $486,000. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? There are turtle strategies. There's bull strategies, bear strategies. What we like to do here is a piggy strategy. We know who we are. We are pigs. And even though this is a 100K to 1 mil challenge, I am going to set the example. And I'm going to withdraw like 100K off here and send it to the piggy bank, because that is what you're supposed to do. And that's what I'm going to do. Whoopsie daisy here. Oh, there it is here. Great move. And it looks like we're pretty much, up there all around here. I even had a long on ass tear. I closed it. Let's see here. What the hell is going on here? Come on, ass hair. All right, never mind. Well, whatever. Ass tier. Sheesh. Can't even move the window over here. Anyway, so beautiful basic strategy. Just breaking in to green money flow. Look at these trigger waves. Absolutely amazing. 2 hour looks great. 7 minutes left on this candle. Spider lines, man, they're real. These spider lines, they are real. Plenty of videos on how to draw them yourself. It's a new month, baby. Okay, new month. Look at this. I mean, is this not a V-shaped recovery? Almost like it's almost looking like it's a inverse deep head and shoulders now. Man, and we are still chugging. We are still chugging. My gosh, look at these RSIs on the 6 hour. These look beautiful. And I'm pretty sure it's not even the weekend right now. We're in the middle of the week. Middle of the week. Gosh, I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out on it continuing to go up. I need to add more. We need to add more. Why not? Why not? Yeah, let's see here. Let's what do we got? Ooh, that'll put me at over 10 mil on this trade. We'll do that. Whammy. What does that put us at? 7.6. And okay. Alrighty. We'll do a little more. Why not? We'll do a little more. Why not? Why not? You know what? Just do the whole damn thing. We're doing the whole damn thing. There we go. 10 mil back in, baby. We're running it close. We're running it hot. And I'm going to shave off 100, maybe more. No more than 150 for the piggy bank strategy. I'm still very confident that the 100K to 1 mil challenge will be just fine. To set the example. Boy, I tell you, the 12 hour, and this is Ethereum. RSI's looking good, small in the red. What do we do in bull runs? We have a lot of time in the green, a little bit in the red. A lot of time in the green, a little bit in the red. Boy, am I ready for a lot of time in the green. I am ready for a lot of time in the green. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it also had a great, a good. I mean, it looks like everything across the board went up. Very nice. This candle. That's great. That's excellent. We are above 115. That was an important level. I believe that was multiple. That was a multi-spider line level. Yeah, 114, 115. Look at that. Chugging right up. Bitcoin. 118 coming up. 118. Almost 119. Coming up. We're plowing through. Look at this money flow. Just getting started. Right? When you see like boom. Boom. Pretty much, you know what I'm saying? Same part almost. Almost. Same thing almost. Momentum on the upside. RSI's looking good. Money flow coming up. Basic strategy. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. And salute to Uncle Sam. What else is there? Nothing else really matters. It's all the same. So I'm happy. I'm happy. But yeah, man, if you don't follow CryptoFace on Twitter, if you're not in the Discord, if you ain't using Market Cipher, you don't know what you're missing. And maybe now you do. Toodaloo. Maybe I'll see you soon.